Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be March Ipsy Bag 2018. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about makeup, skincare, and more, click subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any new videos. The theme for this month of March 2018 is curate. So this is how the theme of this month looks like for this month of March. Curate. It just says curate Ipsy March 2018. This I just really like because it's really colorful, it's very unique. The artwork is gorgeous. Definitely love this artwork. It's such a beautiful thing. Okay, so I saw something in this bag and look what they gave me. They gave me these are markers to color this. I would not color this bag at all. It is such a beautiful bag with all women's faces, with all different types of hairstyles. I definitely love this bag so much that I would not destroy this at all by coloring it. But by coloring, they gave me like free markers to color it, which is so cute. I guess this month is like creative art month. I don't know. Let's see what's inside this bag for this month of March 2018. So the first thing I see is Freematic Eyeshadow by Doucce. This is by Doucce Cosmetic. This is an eyeshadow and the shade is Eyeliner. So I'm gonna open it right now. To be really honest with you, I love Ipsy so much, but I just don't like neutral shades. Like neutral shades are great, but we're about to go into spring soon, pretty soon, and nothing is just like bright in color. Everything is like neutral. I'm tired of like eyeshadows being like all neutral. It needs to be like bright and bold colors for the spring. Well, that's just my opinion. So anyway, so this is it. This is obviously a sample size by Doucce Cosmetic. Such a beautiful thing. So I'm gonna swatch it right now. Okay, so this is it. Such a beautiful color. Definitely like this. This is great for like an everyday wear. Love it so much. Really like it. So I'm gonna try this out on me and I'll be right back. My Luxie eyeshadow brush and just place it. Let's see what else is inside this bag for this month of March 2018. Okay, so the next thing is Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. So this is an eyeliner. It is called Sex Kitten. I have no idea why it's called Sex Kitten. All these companies come out with weird names. I know, I don't know what's the meaning of it. But this is Tarte Sex Kitten. And this is a sample size, of course. The full size is way bigger, and I think it costs $25. Tarte mascaras. But I never tried this one at all, so I'm really excited to try this out. So let's test it. And I know my voice sounds a little different right now. I'm mostly getting sick again. That's what happens when you're in the winter and all this global warming is happening. But anyway, let's do this. Whoa, this is very creamy. This eyeliner is very creamy, and like when I was just swatching it right now, oh my god, it's so smooth. It's very pigmented. This black is like super pigmented. I love my black liners, and this is a retractable liner. It looks so good. Can't wait to try this out. All the products that I mentioned you today, the prices of the products will be in the description box below. So if you guys are like interested in purchasing any of these products, you want to know the price, it will be in the description box below. In the meanwhile, let's see what else inside this bag for this month of March 2018. Okay. Next thing I see, whoa, it's a brush. Look at this brush. So I got a brush by MissGlamm, and I believe this is a blush brush. So pretty. Look at the top. It's like an ombre. Look at this ombre color. Dark purple, light purple, such beautiful. And look at the rhinestones. Look how beautiful is this brush. Such a beautiful brush, and it's by MissGlamm. If you guys don't know MissGlamm brushes, MissGlamm is like all their brushes are like this. They also have blue, green. These brushes are so colorful. And I'm glad that I got only one, because let me tell you something. These are not sold individually on their website on MissGlamm. You gotta buy this in a set, and they're not cheap. They're like, a set is like $50, the cheapest. And if you want like more brushes, it'll be like $70, $80. It's not cheap. So I was really happy. I am just like literally shocked that I got this brush, because this brush is so pretty and it's individual. They need to start selling individual brushes. Yeah, so this is a blush brush, and I'm gonna test this out. So far the bristles are like very soft. The brush head is soft, and I just really like it. I don't know much about this brand. I don't know if it's cruelty free. I have no idea. I don't know more about this. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me blush. Absolutely love it. So to test this brush out, see how well it is. Beautiful. I definitely love it. It's very soft, the brush, and I like it. I like it. And this is a plum blush that I'm testing the brush out, and I like it. So let's see what else inside this bag for this month of March 2018. Okay, so the next thing I see is by Laurant. This is how it looks like in the package. So I'm going to open it right now. This is how it looks like, and this looks like that it's a lip oil, which is great. So if you have like dry lips, this will definitely like hydrate it. So lip oil, and I love the packaging. The packaging looks so expensive. I don't know how much it is, but everything will be in the description box below, the prices, because just by looking at this, I could tell this might be like an expensive product, just the way like the packaging is. Packaging looks so expensive. So lip oil, the shade is Orchid. So it is a lip oil lip gloss, and this is how it is, and I'm gonna try this out. Smells good. It smells very fruity. I like it. It's very smooth and soft. Usually like some lip oils that I tried in the past, like it leaves my lips very sticky. This one doesn't leave your lips sticky. It's very smooth. When it's not sticky whatsoever. Definitely like this lip gloss. So I'm applying it more. Definitely like it's not sticky. I don't know what's in this formula, but I like it. The last and final product that I have in this bag for this month of March 2018 is this is BrtC. BrtC, that's what it says, and then it says it backwards. And I believe this is a Korean beauty product. It's another one of those Korean products. And it says Jasmine Waterfall Foaming Cleanser. It's a daily foaming cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without over drying. So this is a foaming cleanser. It is a Korean product. And it's not over drying. Let me see what else it says. It says a daily foam cleanser with patent ingredient Blue Panto Complex, a lavender infused component that retains moisture while removing makeup and other impurities. So like after you wipe your face with a makeup wipe, you would want to use this cleanser to wash the remaining makeup that's on your face left, and this will definitely like remove the makeup. I don't know how well this is, but I probably will do like a first impression video on this, because definitely a Korean product, and I heard the Korean beauty products has been good lately. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see last month February Ipsy bag, then just click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.